Welcome to a super fun quiz in the Lisa or Lena series. Today, we're diving into a fantastic collection of pictures featuring fashion, cute animals, beautiful places, and so much more. Don't forget to write down your answers and share them in the comments. We want to see what you choose. You're on the Quiz Factory channel, where fun is guaranteed. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our awesome content. Let's get the fun started. Choose one, a Barbie-themed or fairy-themed bedroom? Would you prefer to cuddle with a fluffy bunny or a fluffy puppy? Choose a princess dress, green or blue? Choose one, magical mermaid hair or a super sleek ponytail? Lisa or Lena? Would you choose a glittery notebook or a rainbow-colored pencil set? What's your favorite, swan or eagle? Would you rather wear shiny lip gloss or shiny eyeshadow? Which one is the cutest, cat or bear? Choose one, a magical castle or a tropical beach? Lisa or Lena? Which nail color is your favorite, black or purple? And now, Lisa or Lena? Yummy cupcakes or delicious pizza? Are you having fun with Lisa or Lena? Let us know in the comments. Would you prefer a colorful jumpsuit or a cute sundress? Which one is the cutest, cow or pig? Choose one, a candy house or a gingerbread house. Which one, bear or bees? Do you prefer a kawaii girl with cat ears or bunny ears? Choose one, Lisa or Lena? Rainbow or glittery eyeshadow? Would you prefer a bed with an enchanted forest theme or a fairy forest theme? What's your favorite, bear or cat makeup? Choose one, graphic tees or cozy hoodies? And now, Lisa or Lena? Do you prefer pandas or penguins? Do you like chocolate ice cream or rainbow ice cream? Choose the cutest, tomato or bee? Would you choose crystal high heels or red? Unicorn backpack or butterfly? And now, pink or white purse? Would you choose a pink or orange Porsche? Beach or lake? Do you like autumn cushions or green leaves? Do you prefer sparkling high heels or metallic ones? Butterfly bedroom or flower bedroom? Choose dragon fruit sofa or watermelon? Pink or colorful? Do you prefer black cat sink or yellow? Butterfly or castle bedroom? What's your favorite? Black or purple eyeliner? Butterfly or dove dress? And now, Lisa or Lena? Metal or elastic band? White bow or pink bow nails? Which cat lamp? Lisa or Lena? Choose blue hair or pink hair? Sheep cushion or bear? Choose duck bed or cat bed? Wow, those were some super fun choices. How did you do? Let us know in the comments what you picked for each one. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more awesome quizzes and fun. See you next time!